Alright guys, you know what I'm saying? We're at Starbucks with Connor and David.
Can you give us 1 second?
We just got, right now we're currently working on David's car, nothing's been done.
Spice latte, cold grande.
Had to stop at Harbor Freight, you know. Bought ourselves a first little breaker bar.
I don't know.
Type shit, look at that. Connor's new lights are installed actually. Look how clean they look, guys. No wires, clean install.
The ice white chocolate mocha.
But guys,
Yeah, that one looks kind of good.
Alright guys, so currently under David's car. Guys, we have a problem. This motherfucker is stuck. All three. So let's see what's about to happen.
I don't think that's gonna help.
Alright guys, so that was a fucking fail. As you guys could see, we were not able to remove that. So we're gonna go and get another pipe. Alright guys, so we were able to take off the main three. Now we're taking off the muffler. Let you guys see. Fuck. But we might need the mini toolbox with different size sockets. This one's way too big.
Your mini one?
Yeah.
Where's it at?
It's like on the other side. Fuck. Can you drop it from right there?
Hold on. It's stuck on something.
Right here?
Oh, no, you're good, you're good.
Okay. Alright guys, muffler is off. Look at that big ass thing, guys. Alright, now we're gonna, what the frick is this? This.
Fuck, show me. Now we're straight, bro. It's fucking plastic.
Type shit. Alright guys, and these fucking clamps, let me make it clear how much of a bitch they are. Like guys, if you ask me what's gayer, like gay people or these, actually this one's not that gay, so I guess gay people are still gayer. But
You gotta take that out of the video, bro.
that's my reference. I don't give a fuck.
Cancel culture with this.
That shit don't exist no more.
No, it still exists.
Nah, I know bitch. Alright guys, as you guys can see, exhaust is off.
Fuck this exhaust, bro. Lame ass exhaust.
Dude, little cold start for the first time?
Fuck no, bro.
Without
I'm not trying to wake up my neighbors, bro.
Guys, by the way, David hasn't even told his parents about this exhaust, so I just want to see how that goes when he turns it on. David, this is gonna be way louder, David. Just know that.
I know, but I got this exhaust. I'm gonna put it on.
With the exhaust.
Oh, yeah, no, I know. That's fine. I don't care.
Oh, all right, we'll see. Where's the exhaust at? The old one.
That's the muffler.
Dog, why? But you gotta cherish this puppy, dog. What's up with you, guys?
So clean.
I want to show y'all something. Guys, this is the muffler. Look at the difference, guys. That. Dude, this feels nice, bro.
It does.
It feels nice.
Nice, that blue tip. Blue tip.
Blue tip, guys. Because we ain't no bitch.
Okay.
What you say you could take off?
This is the silencer, bro.
You could take that off?
Yes, bro.
Hey, but when we go somewhere, bro, let's take it off and hear how loud it is.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's dumb as fuck to do, guys, but you know, I want to hear that. All right, guys. So we got to install this first. Yeah, the pipe.
Yeah.
Okay.
We gotta use the new bolts type shit. New bolts we got right here. We got some gaskets too.
Nice ass.
Looks so clean, bro.
Nice ass packaging.
Yeah, they took care of my shit, bro. It goes this one first. Oh, but we gotta make sure that's right.
It goes like that. No, it goes like that.
It goes like, yeah, I think it goes like that. I
Alright,
think
guys,
it goes like
sorry,
that.
we're gonna figure out. You got the bolts?
Yeah, I got the bolts
Let's
right
go into
here.
the car, guys.
Try. See? Yeah.
Oh my god, dude, can you put it from the middle?
Yeah. Alright, hold on, we need to put the gasket.
Wait, no, that's the wrong way though.
That's the wrong way.
Yeah, we gotta take this off.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, where's the gas? Oh here, look.
Yeah, it goes like that. It goes like that. Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Alright guys, we have this gasket. Wait, what?
I wondered, did we put that shit on?
Yeah, we just gotta find the right one. What the fuck?
Put it on this? Does it fit this one?
Beautiful. Oh wait, we're gonna put the new bolts on, right? Fuck.
Yeah, let's do that.
Oh, but we're gonna need the hammer. Pass me the
Fucking WD-40 right here, bitch. Nothing will happen if it'll go in, right?
Nah.
Oh shit, you're fine. Fuck. I can't even get it in the hole. Dude, I deadass can't get it in the hole. Come on.
Hold it open like this thing. Nice. Close it. Mother freaker, bro. All that just for that.
Be careful with the bolts when you kind of shit.
Alright guys, so as you guys just saw, we just literally had to basically melt off these fucking bolts. But honestly, that was the first time for me, so I could say it's an experience and now I know what to do. Guys, I kid you not, that's the best. That's if you guys have nothing else to do, heat that shit up. I kid you not. Hey, always have a fucking fire extinguisher with you, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Dead ass.
That could have been, guys, that could be really bad if, like,
Could've been
if you don't. The reason I did something, I stopped them was because I heard something inside starting to fucking, like, boil. And I was like, what the freak is that?
Well, thank God you heard that, bro.
Guys, and I just want to say, guys, this is really hot. No matter how much water you put on it, it's still going to be burning. Alright, guys. So we didn't even make it one house down David's house, and we're about to take this shit off. But you know, it's alright. It's alright. Alright, you just want to take out these. You have to take. Oh, yeah.
Save those bolts, though. Will it come out? I think it would, right?
Yeah.
That shit's wet. What the fuck?
Wait, what comes off?
This thing has to come off. More bullshit, you guys.
Oh, I just cut myself. Oh, guys, that's hot. Oh, God. Oh, God, guys. Hold on, guys. That might do something. But turn that bit off. Holy crap. Dude, turn that hole on, man. Let's see. Yeah, I got all the bolts.
Bro, it better not be too loud, man.
Chill.